right here, bruh. It's Thursday. I finally got the day off. 4th of July. All right. Happy 4th to all you lovely Americans out there. I'm American too. I don't know why I said it like that, but today I'll be celebrating by washing a Japanese car. It's a little overdue. It's a white car, so honestly, it gets dirty pretty fast. So why not just go through the motions and get it done, you know what I'm saying? And I just got my license plate in as well, man. So we official now. Next mod I might have to do is taking off the dealer license plate holder. Cause like I said, I ain't no walking billboard. If you watched the last video, you know. I'm not a walking billboard. I've been looking around to see which one I want. Haven't bought one yet, so I'm gonna still put the license plate on it. Just gonna have to be for another time. You dig? They already scratched up the paint a little bit, I see. That's not fun. Perks of not being the first time buyer, you feel me? Gonna wash this joint now, man, you already know. Bow, 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 bow. Got the Armor All soaker, whatever you wanna call it, pressure washer for your garden hose. It's actually a 2-in-1, which is pretty cool, so it's all built in. I'm saying, just found it on Amazon, wanted to try it, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Got the double options, you know what I mean? So, about to test it out, about to see what it's about. Well, tell me how something just killed this wasp and it landed on my car, dude. Like, I wasn't able to get it on camera, but it literally, it might have been a yellow jacket, but it destroyed this wasp, and now it's on my car. Let's get it! Alright, so I got this whole thing wiped down. Still have the roof to do, but that I'm gonna just make sure I get everything off. I'm gonna clean the windows afterwards because they get dry so fast. So I'm gonna just get some glass cleaner next, do all the windows, then I'm going to the interior. All right, so for next time, I think what I'm gonna do is get a bigger hose, because oh my god, that was annoying, but I did it. All right, we are at Cars and Coffee, you feel me? About to get some cars, about to look at some cars. I think I'm gonna start with all the Toyotas because I have one. It's kind of exciting to see the brethren here. The brethren. Supra, and a Supra, and a Supra, and another Supra, some S2000s, a Hyundai. I don't even want to say the name. Another Supra, another Supra, another Supra, and another Supra, and another Supra. All right, look at this Bronco. This is how it's supposed to go, man. This is everything you want. This is a natural wrap. This is This is beautiful. It's wonderful. This is America, essentially. Just FYI, we're actually outside of the actual car show itself. Just sometimes the parking lot next to it has better vehicles, you know. It's a pretty nice Civic Type R. But this Corolla, though, it's kind of nice. I mean, this one's pretty nice, too. And you got the Pontiac Firebird. Another Supra. And then this guy who deserves to stay alone. Good work. He's already where he's supposed to be in the handicap spots. There we go. Now it's a dog show. Now we got the Kia boys. Look at all these stingers. Look at all these stingers. They're okay. It has like the weirdest but kind of a cool spec. He has the blue wheels on the passenger side. You go over to the driver's side. He has like bronze orange wheels. It's kind of tough. Got the right hand drive 300ZX. It's pretty tough. Next to it you have a pretty modified 350Z. It's actually really nice. But I gotta ask a question. Would you take the Supra or the NSX? I'm taking the NSX. I mean, I'd take both of those NSXs. Is that how you would say it? And there's an M2 over here. M2's pretty fire, actually, not gonna lie. Here we are, my second cousins, cause science. These actually sit really nice though. And then you got the first gen BRZ. Got the first gen BRZ and the second gen, honestly. It's my twin brother. Looks really nice though. If I didn't get the GT or the GR86, I would have got the BRZ for sure. It looks really nice. You got a Fiesta ST as well. And then you got the Holden. But is it actually a Holden? Ooh, you got the bug eye. Damn. Pretty tough. I think Ghost was looking at me. It's my favorite 3 right here. This gen of 3s is undefeated, dude. Look at the wheels. Look at the rims. You got the heavily modified one right across. Look at that. Oh, this Camry sounds tough. Oh, never mind. Oh, you got Viper Gang. Look at these Vipers, dude. Sick, bro. And Porsche. And a Porsche. Ooh, I like the wrap on that Beamer, though. I think I follow someone with a wrap similar to that. Pretty tough. With the Viper, though. That's what I'm talking about, bro. America. Look at that wing on the back. Holy spoiler. There's a reason why this won in its class in GT1. This thing is a beast. I actually kind of like this spec on this Porsche right here. This Turbo S. The bronze wheels. Kind of nutty. Man. Dream car for real. These McLarens are so nice, dude. Can't go wrong with the 720S. These things are hot. Damn.
That's so nice.
Look at the interior.
Blue is like perfect.
Lambo, look at the Lambo. It's pretty nice. Then you got a Sylvia.
Yeah.
Nice. Got the fatties in there. Alright. Got the Beamer gang. Things look so nice. And this one doesn't have a face. Boo. Look at that now. Crazy, bro. It's alright. Having a Civic wasn't enough. We got the Integra Type S. Still a nice car though. Ah, yes. And then you got the eggs and an imposter. nice day today. Boo, boo, we don't like this. If I had money, I'd book one of these any day. Look at the wing on it. Got a nice wing on it. Hey, that's a really cool spec, actually. I'm not even gonna lie. Got carbon everywhere. Ooh. Got the McLarens coming. The duality of a man. Got a classic here, a Stance Civic over there. Look at this right here. You got Miata. Man, that junk was fun. Really fun. Great day overall. This is gonna conclude the video. But if anything, just let me know what you guys want to see. You know, I'm up for anything. I honestly, I have no idea where I'm going with any of this. So just, if anything, just put it down in the comments. So let me know what you prefer to see. And of course, till the next one, I'll see y'all.